Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to unbox the January 2022 Beauty Heroes box. If you have been following me at all, you'll know that I usually wait and make sure I avoid social media so I don't know what's in the box. Unfortunately, I accidentally found out what was in this box before it came, and it also didn't come till January 6th for me. So I was trying to stay away from like social media and stuff, but it ended up getting on my radar. So I know what's in here, but I'm still very excited. I have not opened it. This is as far as I opened it. And it's pretty exciting in at least some ways. So we'll see, just share it with you guys. So the brand is Ayuna. And this time it is one product. Often if you follow, sorry, I'm just gonna open this up. There's all like stuffing and everything. Beauty Heroes usually does a main product, like the hero product, and a sidekick. But this month, because of the value of the product, it is just one. Ooh, it's a nice packaging there. Sorry, whoa, we got a lot of natural light here. Okay, we'll keep it here. Okay. I think you can see it now. This is what the product box looks like. The product is called Terra Viva, and it says Vivifying Skin D Nectar. This is very pretty packaging. So I can just rip it. Ooh, it's cold. This is very interesting packaging. Okay, let me just tell you. So this has a value of $455. That's why it's exciting. Again, as one of you recently reminded me, just because something is high cost doesn't mean that it actually warrants the price. I do have to say though, I am pretty excited to receive a box that has something that has been valued at $455. I think it goes without saying, most likely, although I don't know. For me, this is the most expensive skin product I've ever owned or tried. Let me tell you about this. So the brand is Ayuna, the product is Terra Viva. This is what the packaging looks like. So there's a bit about the brand. It says, when choosing a partner to help us welcome 2022, we turned again to the master innovator in conscious luxury, Ayuna. A pioneer in clean chemistry, Ayuna consistently delivers sensorial experiences and visible results. But even more, they dare to reimagine form and function with their inventive expression of Terra. Terra is not a single product, but rather a collection of limited edition releases that celebrate ingredient innovation. Each year, Ayuna introduces a breakthrough formula in a sustainable, recyclable, handmade ceramic vessel. This year, we welcome Terra Viva, literally meaning living earth. So there's a whole explanation all about this product. It is a surprisingly lightweight bioactive cream serum combining organic botanicals with molecularly precise bioidentical actives to harness the full power of nature. The result is a splendid nectar textured treatment whose power not only lies in what it can do at the skin level, but how it can stimulate effects on an emotional level. So the new ingredient that's featured in this product is vitamin D, which is often called the sunshine vitamin, and plays an integral role in skin protection and rejuvenation, contributing to skin cell growth, repair and metabolism, and enhancing the skin's immune system. And it just says, as we spend more time indoors, we become more vitamin D deficient, making Terra Viva ideal for daytime use. So I will probably try to use this as a morning cream. I'm gonna have to kind of like slide it into my routine because if you might have seen, I just posted my 2022 project pan, which has plenty of moisturizers in it. So this new formula optimizes vitamin D in the skin, which they call the Skin D effect, a firm, plump, revitalized complexion with a captivating ingredient radiance as if its glow came from within. This part's kind of interesting. This unprecedented formula combines stem cells from living stones, which are succulents that promote vitamin D production, and biosugars to restore the feel of supple and soothed skin. Astaxanthin, a super antioxidant, has been shown to improve elasticity and reduce wrinkles and fine lines. the life-giving power of cherry, sublimate water, and the emotional impact of a new aromatic blend reinforces this one-of-a-kind formula. All right, so they have something in this called the Lifefulness Cocktail, and that's kind of the new scent that is featured here. I guess I'm not super familiar with Ayuna, but they have sort of like a signature scent, and this is a new one that they're introducing. It's an aromatological blend that stands out as an ode to positivity, a praise to life that impacts the mood thanks to the power of more than 20 botanical essences. I had talked about this product in one of my beauty news segments, and the description of the scent of this sounded so nice, so this is how they describe it. It says, orchestrated under the baton of Ayuna's authors with Provencal perfumers, Terra Viva's Lifefulness Cocktail is a blend of fine citrus notes of lemon, grapefruit, mandarin, and orange, wrapped in the complementary scents of cedarwood, amyris, patchouli, and vetiver. A hint of vanilla is added for sweetness and finished with cardamom, angelica, ginger, and the greenery of gallium and mint. Okay, they have a lot of information here. I think I've given you a lot. Basically, they're just talking about the vessel here. Its stoneware is anthracite black, and it's a zero waste vessel. It's a breathable urn, and it will decompose into dust when eventually discarded, which is interesting. And then they have some information about something else here at the end. So let's open the product and check it out. I'm excited for this. Okay, I've never had a container with this material. Ooh. I did read that some people said like their seal was broken, and is that okay? And they said yes, I guess. So I guess in this case, it's okay to have a broken seal. I'm gonna have to just definitely get like all that product off. It's an interesting, pleasant scent. It's not super strong. I thought their scents were known to be kind of strong, but anyway, so that's what we're working with. And I'm just gonna take some. As you can see, that's the consistency. I'm like very afraid to like drop it or do anything. And this is what, there we go. This is what it looks like. At first sniff, the scent seems nice. And it is pretty. I like that. Kind of hard to not like ask myself if this whole thing is $455, how much did that much just cost? So I think this is going to be very fun to try this month. And I also, well, we'll have to see at the end of the month, but I have a feeling I'm not going to, like, I think once I introduce this one into my routine, like now that I've opened it, I think I'm going to try to use it consistently just because of the cost of it. And I have heard and I've read other people's comments, like on Instagram to Beauty Heroes and stuff, about they had a different version. Like they bring out a different version every year, and Beauty Heroes has featured them each year. And people have said that theirs dried out within a few months and theirs developed molds, like the one from last year or the previous year. So it makes me think that it's probably best to just use this consistently if I want to get the most out of it that I, want to. So anyways, yeah, so that's the product this month, just a moisturizer. I don't mean just a moisturizer, and then I have to figure out how to get all this goodness back in there. But very interesting, unique, so if you're a Beauty Hero subscriber for years, not super unique because they've done this at least the past few years. I think they usually do it in December, but this year they did it as the first discovery of January. It's kind of funny because it's kind of hard to get the vessel closed. It has like the rubber seal here, and it's kind of, I don't know that I can even, oh, okay, yes, okay, I did a little twisting and that worked better. So, oh God, this is making me nervous having a product this cost. Anyways, it's 3.4 ounces, which is a lot for moisturizer. And so it's like a nice little tub, and then this will definitely be like kind of a cool vessel to use after it's all used up. So that's that. That is the product for January 2022 from Beauty Heroes. Terra Viva from Ayuna, value of $455. So I will definitely be using it throughout the month, and I'll let you know my thoughts and experience later in the month. So definitely leave me some comments, give the video a thumbs up, click the subscribe button. Would love to hear your thoughts on this. Do you think it's like ridiculous for a skincare product to be priced at this amount? I certainly would not spend this much money on a skincare product. I don't know what my most I've spent on a skincare product. In my mind, I'm thinking something in the $80 range for like a serum or something, but I don't know if I've exceeded that. I'd have to see. So anyways, I look forward to talking to you later in the month about this product, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.